we want to learn how to change the ink in Canon Pixma. First of all, you on your ink, you on your printer. Then after on your printer, you open it, you cover, and wait for it. When it stop moving, you can select a cartridge you want to replace the ink from, and then you turn it upside down. Make sure you cover this hole with your hand. This hole with your hand, and then you can use you can decide to use a syringe if you like, and then drop it here gradually. You're dropping it gradually until you feel that it is until the ink will refuse to go in, or will take more time before it will go in. You know that it's full. Then you can now replace it. The same thing here. Thank you.